Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to go over different types of mating that you can use when you're making an assembly. So as you can see here, we have the assembly we made in the last video. I'm going to quickly remove all the mates from the previous assembly, and we will go over the different mates in more detail. So the first mate that I want to illustrate is the tangent mate. In order to show you how that works, I'm going to insert a new component called circle with propeller, and I'm going to rotate it. And I'm going to take out one of these circles here. And just like when we added the circles originally, I am going to add a concentric mate. But this time, instead of a coincident mate, I'm going to click the edge, and I'm going to click the edge here, and I'm going to add a tangent mate. And now what this is going to let us do, if I grab a hold of this here, it's going to allow me to move this part as if it's a lever. So if you want your parts to freely be able to rotate in a single direction, the concentric and the tangent mates are the way to go. Another mate I'm going to demonstrate is the parallel mate. I'm going to demonstrate that with our slot. So first I gotta go in and I gotta delete the original slot mates. You can find all your mates in this drop down right here. I'm going to delete these two, and I'm going to drag it out, and this time we're going to put a parallel mate in with these two lines. And now, just to show you, it will let me move it this way, but it's going to do everything in its power to keep these two lines perfectly parallel to each other. Now, if I wanted to change that to, say, a perpendicular mate, I could again select these two lines, and then I can select perpendicular, and this time it's going to do the same motion, except now they're perpendicular to each other. And the last mate that I want to show you is the lock mate. So the lock mate will allow you to lock the components together. Like I said, very good if you have irregular components. So this time to use the lock mate, you just need to select two entities. In this case, I'm doing two faces. And you can click lock, And then now you can see these two mates' faces are locked together. So you can't move either one. They are not directly connected, but they are locked from moving. So, and that is all for this video. So in the next video, I'm going to talk about how to evaluate your parts. And I'm going to talk about how to evaluate your assemblies with some basic evaluation tools.